Linaro is about open source in ARM, basically, and we do a lot of work in upstreaming. And Linaro is doing things together. It's about collaboration. So instead of having people that competing with each other, doing things on their own and trying to get it upstreamed, they sit down together, and Linaro is kind of the organization that brings this together and help the different members do the upstream work. So yeah, we're quite active in open source upstream ARM. My role in Linaro is tech lead for security working group, so I'm in charge of deciding what we should do when it comes to the security features being developed together with our members. And with that also comes some personal management responsibility, so I'm managing a small team in Linaro right now. So in an ARM chip you have the possibility to switch between two different modes. You have a normal mode and a secure mode, so it's hardware assisted security. So in the end it's just plain C code that you write, but it's for the secure side development instead. The big challenge in the past has been that it's been really hard to get the software. It's been virtually impossible to get the software if you weren't employed by some big company. So if you're a small company, researcher, student, or you just want to learn something, then it's been more or less impossible to get the software. The last year we have seen a change in general in the market. It's not only what we have done in Linaro. We have seen NVIDIA, they have released TLK, Google have released Trusty, and we in Linaro have been working with Opti. So now you have some possibilities to get the software so you can play with it. The next thing is to get the hardware also. You can do pretty much anything as long as the software environment is capable of supporting all the use cases. What we showed here was that you can run everything on your local PC running something called QEMU. QEMU doesn't have support for peripherals and so on, but you can do most of the core development directly on your laptop. And that is something that is really good to me. You have a very quick turnaround time when you're doing development. Without standardization, it's really hard to be. You have the interoperability problem. So if people have their own solutions but they can't work together, then it's really hard for the end consumer, the OEMs, to know really what to use. So if you have standardization, then you have this common APIs. You know exactly what you should achieve when you're implementing your software, and that's the way how it has to be done. So T development has gained a lot of attraction in the last couple of years. In Linaro we are working with adding a couple of new features to Opti itself. We have been working with secure storage, and we also follow along what's happening with GlobalPlatform APIs. And we have a pretty full roadmap that we are going to work with. I think we will see more open source solutions being picked up by the different companies. Yeah, events like this is a unique position. I mean, you have all the expertise here together, and you also have newcomers that want to learn more about it. So the workshop we had yesterday, I think is a very good thing to people get quickly started and know what it is about. And today you have the more kind of the experienced people here, which will have sessions, presentations and so on about the technologies coming and the features they're working with.